Oh, sorry. Yes, glass. Charming. Are you the shoe repair, yes? I've got some shoes for you. So, I've got repairing, obviously. Yes, I need to put that back. Well, they're beautiful, don't you think? Prada. Well,
Damaged.
I know they're damaged, that's why I came to the shoe repair.
Critically damaged.
Yeah, I know.
Unrepairable damaged.
You're having a laugh, because they were good shoes, yeah? 150 quid worth of Prada, yeah? If they're not repairable, what am I going to wear on Friday nights?
No, I care. 65 quid to the max.
No. No, see, the thing is, Air Max is not my thing, you know? Trainers...
Fine.
No, they're not designer.
Clarks, same style, yeah? And everyone loves Clarks.
Yes, I do. Don't like everyone else. I'm unique. I don't like Clarks. Prada. I'm a Prada man. Yeah? You got any Pradas? Oh, hang on, I'm ringing. Hi, Jordan. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, cheers. Not much at the moment. Just shoot.
I have Prada.
Oh,
Prada, Prada, Prada.
Yeah, bye.
Prada.
Pardon?
I have Prada.
Do you?
Prada.
Yep.
£170 of unique cow's leather from the backside and gold lining soles.
Praise the Lord. Show me them. 175. You just...
Can't touch them, they're too valuable. I can trust you because you could be a thief.
I bring in Prada shoes. I expect to leave with Prada shoes.
Prada shoes, gold lining, 170 quid. No one else could do better than this.
Okay, 175 quid deal.
Sign the papers.
Okay, it's unpaid.
£50 box as well, golden lined.
A box?
Yes, just sign it.
Yep. Here?
Okay, £250 only to Mr. Yeah, and then sign there, and sign there. Sign up here, sign up here.
Yeah. Sign there.
Sign there.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So now Friday night. And the box? Don't even try. Rip me. I'm paying 50 quid for the box I came in with. Thanks.
No, you're not. Here you go there. All fixed, ready for you.
Thanks. Nice doing business with you. Ta-ra!
£270.